What is the Power BI mobile app? The Power BI mobile app is a powerful tool that allows users to stay connected to their data on the go. It provides access to Power BI reports, dashboards, and data visualizations for mobile devices, ensuring that users can stay informed and make data-driven decisions anytime, anywhere. Key features of the Power BI mobile app: access to reports and dashboards, view reports, access and interact with your Power BI reports, including all visuals and data insights. Dashboards, monitor key metrics and performance indicators through Power BI dashboards. Interactivity, data exploration. Drill down into data, filter reports, and slice and dice data to gain deeper insights. Annotations. Add annotations to reports and share insights with your team directly from the app. Real-time data. Live dashboards. View real-time data and live updates to stay informed of the latest changes and trends. Notifications. Receive alerts and notifications for data changes and important updates. User experience. Responsive design. The app is optimized for various screen sizes and devices, ensuring a seamless experience whether you're using a smartphone or a tablet. Offline access. Access your data offline by downloading reports and dashboards for use without an internet connection. Collaboration. Sharing. Share reports and insights with colleagues directly from the app. Comments. Collaborate with team members by adding and responding to comments on reports. Security. Authentication. Secure access through organizational authentication methods, such as Azure Active Directory. Data protection. Ensures that your data is secure with encryption and other security measures. Customization. Personalized view. Customize the mobile experience to show the most relevant data and reports. Favorites. Mark reports and dashboards as favorites for quick and easy access. Benefits of using the Power BI mobile app. On-the-go insights. Stay connected to your data and insights no matter where you are, enabling timely decision-making. Improved collaboration. Share insights and collaborate with team members in real time, fostering a data-driven culture. Enhanced productivity. Quickly access and interact with important data without needing to be at your desk. Real-time monitoring. Keep track of key metrics and performance indicators with live dashboards and real-time updates. Use cases. Executives. Monitor business performance and key metrics on the go. Sales teams. Access sales data and performance reports while in the field or meeting with clients. Operations. Track operational metrics and performance indicators in real time. Analysts. Explore and analyze data insights while away from the office. The Power BI mobile app enhances the Power BI experience by providing users with the flexibility to access and interact with their data from anywhere, ensuring they stay informed and connected to their business insights.